Hey everyone, if you have found a collection account on your Equifax credit report that doesn't belong there or contains errors, don't worry, you can dispute it. Today I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to dispute collections on Equifax and make sure your credit report is accurate. So let's get started. First, pull up your Equifax credit report at equifax.com or through annualcreditreport.com, where you can get a free report every 12 months. Review your report carefully and pay close attention to this case section. Your credit report includes personal information, account information, inquiries, public records. Equifax recommends checking your personal and account information carefully. Keep in mind that payments can take up to 30 days to appear on your report. If you spot errors, it's time to dispute. Before filing a dispute, gather all supporting documents such as credit card statement, cancelled checks, proof of identity, a utility bill confirming your address. The fastest way to dispute a collection account is online through the Equifax dispute portal. Here's how: go to equifax.com and log into your account. Navigate to the dispute section and find the account in question. Upload supporting documents and submit your dispute. Once you submit your dispute, Equifax will give you a 10-digit confirmation code. You can check the status anytime through the portal, and Equifax will contact you once the investigation is complete. You can also dispute by mail. Send a letter Equifax at the address equifax.postofficebox 740256, Atlanta, GA 303740256. Include your name and current address, Equifax report confirmation number, social security number, date of birth, a description of disputed item and why it should be corrected. Copies of supporting documents. Equifax has 30 days to respond, but if you submit additional information during the process of dispute report you get from annualcreditreport.com, it can take up to 45 days. And that's how you dispute collections on Equifax. Keeping your credit report accurate is crucial for your financial health. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more credit tips. See you next time.